Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frogs 4x4. Just want to do a huge thank you to Rough Country. I sent them a copy of my ZR2 Rough Country leveling kit install and wasn't expecting anything in return. Just wanted to let them know that I had a great product and I shot a video with it. And they decided to send me some free swag. Free hat. Free t-shirt. Now, they originally said that they were just going to send me a t-shirt. When it came in the mail, got the hat too. So a huge thank you to Rough Country, stand-up company, great customer support. It was awesome talking to them back and forth. Look forward to installing more of their products on more of my vehicles. Almost every part I have in my Jeep Cherokee is from Rough Country. Great company and great product. And just also wanted to apologize real quick for there's a lack of video this week. It's just been so hectic with work. I haven't had time to sit down and edit videos. Even today, we were gone for company picnic all day yesterday. Went away all day today. There has been no time to get anything done. Hopefully going to get something better done this week. Again, apologize for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking by with me. Over 300 subscribers, and that is just awesome. I can't thank you all enough. It's just incredible. For the guys who I promised videos for the 100 subscribers, that is going to happen. That is coming. End of July, we are going to be blowing some stuff up. So we look forward to that. I'm going to have some video I'll probably post of that. We'll be shooting some exploding targets and blowing up anything I can possibly find to sit and shoot and blow up. Also, I'm trying to set up to drive the ZR2 up onto a vehicle. Still trying to figure a way to do that to make sure that the truck doesn't fall off and cause any damage to the truck, because obviously insurance isn't going to cover it if I'm driving up on a vehicle and something happens to the truck. So, working on that. Did not forget about you guys for a 100 subscriber promise. That will happen. Just making sure that it's going to be as safe as possible and still cool video to watch. As always, like that button down below. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Doing my best to get the best things out there for you guys. So these videos are for you guys, for your education, enjoyment, entertainment. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any questions. I'll do my best to get you an answer. Like, subscribe, and as always, God bless.